Here are the next two vowel sounds we're going to target. As in pull, and as in pool. So it's important we target these two vowels because for some people they sound very, very similar. However, there are some big differences between the two sounds. As you might have noticed from the symbols, the second one is long and the first one is short. So the first one, extremely short, as in pull. Notice the shape of the lips, they're quite rounded, not very rounded, but quite rounded. As in pull. Now the second vowel sound is long, much, much longer. As in pool. The lips are very rounded. Pool. Can you see that? So that's the difference between the two. The first one, slightly rounded lips. The second one, very rounded lips. And the first one is very short. The second one, long. And So that's the difference between these two vowel sounds. Now let's jump to the target sound practice for the first vowel, So notice the spelling and let's focus on the highlighted orange part so you can really master this sound. Listen to each word and repeat. Full, good, foot, wood, pushed, book, could, bush, wolf. Okay, fantastic. Now let's move on to the second list of target sound practice words. The second vowel, remember, is long. Notice the shape of the lips. Very, very rounded. So make sure you have nice, rounded lips when you pronounce these words. So let's start. Repeat after me. Pool, cool, school, chew, blue, soup, afternoon, student, computer. Very well done. Now, this is the important part, the minimal pairs. As I said before, many people find it a little difficult to distinguish between these two sounds. The minimal pairs should clear up any confusion for you. The minimal pairs, as I mentioned before, are exactly the same sounds except for one sound, the two target sounds that we are targeting. So on the left we have words containing the sound, the very short vowel sound. And on the right we have the words containing the sound, the long vowel sound. So listen to each pair and repeat after me, focusing on the target sounds. Full, fool. Look, Luke. Could, cooed. Would, wooed. Hood, who'd. Pull, pool. Okay, I hope that's cleared up any confusion that you might have had between the two target sounds. Don't forget, this lesson is just to get your awareness up of these sounds. To really start to master the sounds, use the extra resources that I give to you. This is all part of the package to help you master the British English pronunciation. The PDFs, the MP3s, they're all helpful. Okay. Now let's look at the last part of this lecture, the target sounds in use. Sentence number 1. We're looking at the sound, the very short vowel sound. Listen and repeat. Could you please put the books back? Now, sentence 2, we're looking at the sound. Students can use the computers for 2 hours. Very good. Now, the last sentence, we have a mix of the two target sounds. Luke, let's play computer games at noon. Then later, cook some good food. Okay, fantastic. See you in the next lecture.